24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman publishers. As we know, there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Ask the children about the things we need to keep our body healthy and safe. Tell them that we need to cover our body according to the seasons in order to keep it safe. And for this purpose, we need clothes. There are different clothes for girls and boys. Encourage the children to talk about their clothes. Now show the picture of a sofa and ask the children if they know what it is. What is its color? Do they know its name? Some of the children may answer correctly. Encourage them. Then tell the whole class that it is the picture of a sofa. It is brown or any color, and its name is sofa. Ask the children if they can tell about the use of a sofa. You may get mixed responses. Tell them that sofa is used for seating. Now, show to the class a picture of the sun. And frame the questions like you have asked about the sofa. During this, if the children give you a wrong answer, just correct them and treat them kindly. Recognition of letter S and related vocabulary activity. Tell the children that today they will recognize the letter S. Learn its related vocabulary and trace the capital letter S with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following song with the children.
Little soldiers standing in the row. 3 stood straight and 2 stood so. Along came the captain, and what do you think? They all stood straight, as quick as a wink.
Write the letter S on the writing board. Tell the children that this is capital letter S and it says S. Say the sound of the letter S. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound. S. Seal. S. Seal. S. Seal. S. Seal. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of letter S activity. First of all, get attention of the children. Encourage them to sit up straight and not bend their backs. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write the letter S on the first 3 lines and give instructions. Start from the red point. Draw a half circle. Then turn and draw an opposite half circle. Ask them to open their textbook and trace the letter S with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace the letter S in the air or on their desks or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize S. Reinforcement worksheet of the letter S can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.